In this video I explain what are the real advantages of 360 cameras and why I think this is the future of action cams. I don't know if you already realized it, but more and more 360 action cams are coming onto the market. Here are some of the most important ones. In 2017, GoPro released the first 360 camera, the GoPro Fusion. Insta360 also released their first standalone 360 action camera, the Insta360 One, in 2017. 2018, Insta360 released the One X, which has conquered the market with its variety of functions. 2019, GoPro updated their 360 model with the GoPro Max. Many companies launched 360 cameras in the last months. For example, Kandao with the Qoocam 8K, Theta with the Theta Z1 and SC2, and a lot more. In 2020, 360 cameras are a hot topic in the consumer and hobby film area. Insta360 introduced the 1R, which scores through the modular system. This offers the user both a normal action plus a 360 camera. But what exactly is so special about the 360 camera? I think in the future a lot more 360 cameras coming onto the market, because these cameras have some big advantages over normal action cameras. Yes, and I'm not talking about the possibility of creating the tiny world effect. The real power of 360 cameras are the following. The first big advantage is the possibility to film a 360 video and reframe it in post-production. This gives you the freedom to choose the movement afterwards. You will never miss a shot after you press the record button. In post-production, you can create fast and action-like shots, or slow and gentle smooth camera movements. This gives you the full creative scope. The second big advantage is the electric image stabilization. You can turn the camera in any direction. The picture will always be perfectly stabilized. Because the camera creates a 360-degree spherical image, it can always be shifted without cropping. A normal action camera captures only a limited area, which means that the image has to be cropped for stabilization. The third big advantage is the invisible selfie stick. A 360 camera usually combines several videos into one overall video. In this process, the selfie stick is removed and it looks like the camera is flying. This feature is perfect for selfies and action shots. Of course, there are many more advantages, but I think these three are the most important ones. This is the reason why I believe 360 cameras will become more and more popular in the future. We should keep in mind that compromises must be also accepted. 360 cameras produce very large amounts of data, because the entire environment is now filmed. The most important thing is that the material must be edited afterwards, because the raw material is not really usable. The user has to deal with it more, which is already too complex for many people. For example, Insta360 does a great job with the smartphone app. Many videos can already be edited automatically. In any case, it will remain exciting to see how the market develops further. What do you think? Are 360 cameras the future of action cams? Let me know in the comments. In the video description, I linked you my favorite 360 camera. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel and look forward to more content about 360 cameras, video editing, gimbals and much more.